All right, so here are a few reasons why having a microplane in the kitchen is super helpful. I use it for grating my raw garlic and raw ginger into different dishes. I use it for citrus. I even use it for chocolate. When zesting citrus, make sure to swipe and then turn it so that you're only getting the fresh zest and not any of this bitter pith.